to Keto in the Country.
Today we have the perfect recipe to substitute for those mashed potatoes over the holidays that you always want to stick your fork into.
And this year you won't have to miss them. So make sure to stay tuned and don't go anywhere.
Okay, so there's a lot of cauliflower recipes out there for us with the keto lifestyle, and sometimes you get a little tired of it, but it's just so healthy. It's a cruciferous vegetable.
And the thing that's so nice about this recipe is that you don't have to feel deprived because it is rich and it is decadent. And this was kind of a trial and error recipe. We looked a lot online and we found a ton of recipes, but we incorporated a couple of keto-friendly ingredients like almond flour and keto breadcrumbs.
Yeah, we took the best of the best and put it all in this delicious recipe. It's a cauliflower au gratin.
Yes, right? And it is cheesy and delicious, and we are so excited to show you how to make it. So let's go ahead and get in the kitchen. perfect recipe for the holidays. It's great to take to a friend's house. It's great to take.
Yeah, because when you go to parties, or say if you're going to see family and you take a dish, I always like to take a keto dish, one that we can eat, because
Exactly.
you're not guaranteed that, you know,
There's going to be anything that's keto friendly.
there's the potatoes, and which is, because I know over the holidays we feel like we're missing out on things, and we feel deprived.
Yeah.
And, oh, we're gonna cheat, we're gonna make it a cheat day, but it really doesn't have to be.
It doesn't. I think if you look at all of the things that you can have on keto, like you can have the ham, you can have the turkey.
You can have butter. There's so many things you can have. You
Absolutely.
can make keto desserts. You do not have to plan a cheat day.
So I think instead of focusing on like, oh, I can't have the stuffing, well, go ahead and look at that stuffing recipe and see how you can incorporate keto ingredients.
Exactly.
Instead
just to
of
make
feeling
it keto.
like, no, I just can't have it and that's it.
Yeah.
And so that's why I think that this, cauliflower recipe is so great. It does not taste like some kind of funky meal.
Substitute.
Right. Like people are questioning, like, what's in this? What did you do?
They're going to eat it and not even know it's keto.
Exactly.
It's just a good dish.
Right. So I think that it's really important around the holidays to just try to incorporate keto-friendly things so it makes it easy for you so you don't want to cheat.
Exactly.
So make sure that you like and subscribe our video. We're going to have more to come because we have a lot of great holiday recipes coming up.
Yep. So we hope you try out this recipe for your holiday or any day.
Exactly.
Let us know how you like it and
Yes.
what you did different.
And if you want more recipes like this or you have any great ideas that you would like us to try out for you, please be sure to let us know in the comments. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. So nobody likes dieting during the holidays. It just seems to be one of those dreaded times that people are like, okay, I'll start after the holidays or I'll start before the holidays so that I can cheat.
Yes.
But, okay.
Don't say the word diet.
No. Okay.
No.
So we'll see you next time.
Yep.